Ay, salamat po. Meron daw akong speech from lista. Sa introduction, mga kuya, mga ate, families and friends of Eagles, guests of honors, Eagle Joyrex Rosado, and the press, Rindy Nagal, and my fellow kuya from other club, and to our newly inducted batch na meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, this morning, we have witnessed that not merely an induction, but the unfolding of a new chapter in our shared life as Eagles. From January to May of 2026, our aspirants through the 5 eyes, they journeyed interview, introduction, inception, incubation, and induction today. Performance. They persevered, nagtyaga, they planned and fulfilled the requirements demanded of true Eagles, both physically and financially. The name Magiting, sa English, brave, valiant, steadfast, Tagalog, makabayan, matapang, buo ang loob, walang tinag, magatag. Now takes its rightful place in the lineage of this majestic country. Magiting, it is a name that carries weight, demands courage, and will echo in the halls of fellowship for generations to come. As Eagles, we are bound not only by ritual, but by purpose, ang ating layunin. We rise above ambition to embrace unity, pagkakaisa, charity, pagtulong, and leadership. Matamang pamuno. To Batch Magiting, Kuya Danilo, Kuya Jason, Kuya Raimundo, Kuya Reynante, Kuya Sammy, Ate Amparo, Ate Pinky, Kuya Frankie, Kuya Joel, Kuya Ray, Kuya Samir, Kuya David, Ate Michelle, you now bear the torch of this tradition. May your wings soar in triumph sa pagtatagumpay, and may they endure the storms of challenge. Marami yan. Remember, bravery is not the absence of fear, but the mastery of it. Valiance or kagatingan is not spoken, it is lived in deeds. Magawa. That uplifts communities, protect the vulnerable, and inspire others to follow. From this day forward, you are not only members, you are stewards, tagapaglingkod, mga katiwala of the Eagles spirit. Spirit na natin. Let us close with gratitude or pasasalamat. Gratitude or pasasalamat to those who guided and mentored Batch Magiting. Nasa paligid sila. Gratitude to the families and friends who stand behind every Eagle. Gratitude to the vision of this conclave, which grows stronger with each generation. You are the first batch. Gratitude to the kuya and ates, mga kuya ate, hindi na po mapapangalanan, who planned, arranged, and executed this event. To the speakers, sponsors audience for the cooperation and organizers of this event. Now, there is this saying, don't be a parrot in life, be an eagle. A parrot talks way too much but can fly high. But an eagle is silent and he has the will power to touch the sky. Like our guest speaker, they build schools, not by himself, but the coordinated effort of the fellow eagles. Again, there's also a saying, all birds find shelter during a rain. But eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. Problems are common, but the attitude makes the difference, said by Abdul Kalam. And finally, sa wakas, let us live forth with resolve. May Batch Magiting embody bravery in service, loyalty in fellowship, and majesty in leadership. Together, let us soar higher. Tayo'y kumailangan lang. One conclave, isang conclave, one brotherhood, one family of eagles. And so therefore, with that, in the name of Majestic Conclave Eagles Club, officers and leaders, I declare this induction close. Long live Batch Magiting! Long live Majestic Conclave Eagles Club! Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay!